Hello viewers all over the world, it's your man Femi Abiodun by name, aka The Bitter Truth. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening according to the time in your respective locations. In previous days I told us I'm a composer of gospel and spiritual songs. Today I want to talk about nature because I'm a trained conservationist and lover of nature. I just want us to briefly look at some basic things that we need to know about nature. When we are talking of nature, nature comprises of the plants, the animals, the rock, the ponds, and all these physical what's it called, objects, the natural physical objects that you can see around us. So what is this role of nature? I want to concentrate on the plant aspect of nature. As we might have all been hearing it, that life is nature and nature is life. That one is telling us that these plants around us has a very significant roles that play to sustain human being in one way or the other. So as a result of this, what are the roles? One of the major roles of nature is to provide air for us. The fact that the atmosphere has been polluted with monocarbon dioxide, haze, and some of other dangerous gases could not be overemphasized. It's taking place everywhere. As a result of this, and we all know this contamination we are talking about, the haze and monocarbon dioxide and the rest, we know that it is very implicating to our health system if inhaled directly. Here comes the roles of nature. It is the work of these plants around us that will absorb all these dangerous gases from the atmosphere and release pure oxygen for us. So this is one of the major roles of nature. For that single explanation, we must be able to realize how important it is for us to have some plants around our buildings, in our compound, wherever we are living. Some may ask, should we be planting Miletia excelsa iroko tree, or Triplochitin celeracillum obeche tree, or Abacia sigia, Abacia species, igi ayanre, or Ceiba pentandra, igi araba? No, we don't need to plant all these major tree plants. But we have some suitable shrub plants that we can plant around our buildings that won't disturb our floor, neither our wall nor our fence. We can make use of these shrub plants species. Not only that, we can make use of ornamental tree plants, that is flowering plants or ornamental plants, to be performing the same functions. Because at my place of work, where I'm working presently, we used to receive a large number of visitors, taking them to ecotourism, just to sensitize them, to educate them, to create awareness on the danger that attached to unnecessary deforestation and the implication of having been neglected our natural things. So, and it has become their usual comment from at least from 90% of our visitors so far. They used to make the comment that whenever they come to our premises, that's my place of work, the campus, that they perceive a very special breeze whenever they come to the compound. And I used to tell them there's no special secret behind it, other than the fact that the campus, the institute, the what's it called? Organization is very keen with nature, as you could also see right from the entrance of the campus. Different species of tree plants, major tree plants, ornamental plants, shrub plants of different kinds, different species will be noticed, will be seen almost everywhere. Pollution is taking place in the campus as well, because we have so many heavy equipment machines. So also several number of giant generating plants. So emission is taking place also in the campus, but it couldn't have any implication. It couldn't have any effect on people under the organization living around in the campus or working in the campus and around the campus, simply because we have more than sufficient plant species that play the role of purification of air by absorbing the monocarbon dioxide and haze from the atmosphere. Therefore, that one is telling us how important it is for us to have some tree plants being planted around our buildings, our house, so that we'll be enjoying the same perfect breeze in our own respective homes as well. Therefore, let's borrow the idea of tree planting wherever we are living. Let's borrow the idea on how to put some materials on ground to purify air for us, so that we'll be able to enjoy perfect breeze in our environment. So In nutshell, in conclusion, here I will draw the curtain of this first video. In my subsequent video, I would like to go further to from the importance of nature as regards to the function of nature. I will now proceed to that of the power of nature as regard to the medicinal aspect, medicinal function of the nature in my subsequent video. So let me try to share this video, comment, like, invite friends, family, and your loved ones to be to subscribe on this channel, so that they will also be part of a beneficiary of all this power of nature that I will be sharing. So in the light of this, don't forget to click on notification bell so that you get notified whenever I release any of these video I'm talking about. Once again, you're welcome. Thank you for listening. I love you all. Cheers.